Hello, YouTube viewers. Why is it so difficult to consistently profit from day trading or scalping? Because you're most likely utilizing the incorrect indicators and interpreting them incorrectly. I'm going to remedy this problem right now, and you'll learn how to trade and read the market consistently by using the one and only indication you'll ever need to profit from today's market volatility. Before we begin, if you would like to show your support, please leave a like and click the subscribe button to assist us. Turn on that notification bell for this YouTube algorithm, so that I can keep you updated in our new videos. Now let's dive right in. As a seasoned day trader with over a decade of experience, when it came to trading decisions, I had to rely on two key factors: price and volume. These two elements reveal everything you need to know about price and its potential direction. As a result, developing a powerful strategy based on price and volume makes logical. Your ability to use technical analysis to make good trading decisions and inevitably make money in any market is critical. It's something you can't do without, and if you don't understand some aspects of technical analysis, or you just don't know how to use them correctly, that's likely one of the main reasons you're currently either a financial loss. As a trader, you may be challenged to make consistent profits over time, so in today's video, I'll show you how to acquire access to the tools that I use every day to make significant gains in the markets. Technical analysis. All you need to know. We'll go through everything from what a candlestick chart is to indicators, support and resistance trends, entry patterns, and how to set stops and goals. The market, as we all know, does not rise in a straight line. Whatever you invest in, there will always be ups and downs. Have you ever wondered if there is a technique to forecast when the market will rise or fall? Whether you're a day trader or a long-term investor, there's something for everyone. Wouldn't it be wonderful if there was an indication that could tell us when to sell the tops and when to buy the dips? In fact, there is an indicator that can accomplish just that. In fact, great traders like Steve Cohen and Paul Tudor Jones used to utilize this signal exclusively. I'll explain how this software indicator works, how to use it to your personal investing and trading. Also, at the end of the video, I'll give a link to an additional video with a comprehensive instruction on how to add this indication to your charting platform of choice, such as TradingView, for free. So if you are still new to this channel, Professional Day Trader, I will provide you with the most information as I can, to help you with your day trading as much as possible. My name is Giovanni Roskowski, and every week, I record videos to convey some of my ideas on financial market developments. In addition, I distribute educational materials to assist you in your investment endeavors. If you also want to really expand your knowledge as an expert, day trader, and want to learn about my 4 pillars of a 7-figure trading account in which I do personally also, you can see for yourself how I make large profits in real time. And you also can do the same. So remember, if you wish to deal with me individually, I'll leave that link below the description, including the one and only tool indicator you'll ever require to get tremendous results. Thank you all so much for taking a little bit of your time to listen to this short video. And I hope that I was able to help. Please consider subscribing to this channel. Take care for now. And I will see you guys soon on my next video. God bless.